Hello everyone, so as you can tell by my title, you know kind of what this video is going to be about. Going to cover the basics of this new series I want to do. Going to be along the lines of turning $10,000 into $20,000. I'm not sure exactly what the number is going to be yet, but my account closed yesterday at $9,900. So I figured it'd be an amazing time to start a series, and I'm right near that even $10,000 mark. So today is the official start of that. Started with about $9,900 in this challenge. We'll just say 10,000 to make it easy. And my goal where I want to end this series is $20,000. Not sure when I'm going to end this series. So it'll just be kind of a continuous thing based off of how many trades I make. So right now my account's sitting around $10,350. So today, as you can see there, I've made about $470, about 4.8%. So you can see that roughly translates to that $10,000. And I have about $100 in cash. If there's a stock you think would be interesting for me to invest in, leave that down below. Let's get into the video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, leave a like, comment, and let's get into it. So this morning I actually placed, it was about 8 total orders to buy into TQs when it was up around 2.2% this morning. Because as you know, I had traded the other day. I had shorted. Well, it's not actually shorting. I had bought a negative leveraged ETF on the NASDAQ. It's the exact opposite of TQs. And you'll be hearing these two names a lot, TQs and SQs. TQs is the positive leverage. SQs is the negative leverage. So I did buy TQs this morning when it was around, I think my cost basis was $120.75. Let's take a look at where it is right now. $126-ish after hours. So you can see that here. About $450 today. I had said yesterday in yesterday's video, you can go back, take a look at that if you want. I actually said that I either thought today was going to be a down day or an up day. Ended up being a lot more up than I expected, but I still got into TQs because I knew it'd be a short-term buy, and that worked out very well for me. Bought around 120.75 this morning, so I actually got that right there. That is where I bought. We'll leave this line here until I sell. And you can tell I bought at the lows, kind of this morning, at least when I was looking. You can see that this bar starts at 5. This bar started at 9. So you can see I bought right in those lows. I bought from about 8:45 to 9:15. There were some dips, some ups. Not much of a difference. But yeah, so I did end up buying into TQs. So I'm expecting this challenge to last possibly until the end of the year, maybe longer. I think I've got a good strategy with TQs here, and SQs actually. I've been being able to trade pretty consistently. Again, I'm looking for this to end up being around a $1,000 to $2,000 trade. We're already right around $460. So that means I see TQs going up to around, it's a $6 gain right there for it to get to about a third of my medium goal, which is 15%. So around $138. After today, since it shot up so quickly, I think there'll be a trade in the middle there. So I may end up selling either tomorrow or Friday. Again, it depends. I'll have to see what it does, but based on the average run-up that TQs has, I think I can get right around a 15% gain. You can see from this bottom, we'll call it there. It's up about 6.5% currently. So I think it does have around another 10% from here to run. So another $12 in that area. There may be a pullback in the middle, not big, probably 2 to 3%. I might not sell during that. I might. It depends on what these indicators are telling me. I am basing these trades mostly off of RSI because this year RSI has actually proven to be pretty good of an indicator of when to buy and when to sell, except for the big market dip because it fell so quickly, so much that it really, RSI wasn't helpful during then. But since coming out of that, the RSI has been very helpful. And so that's what I'll continue to use. So as the RSI starts to get higher, possibly into the red area like you see here and back here, is when I'll start thinking about selling. It also depends on what's happening in the market, because if we start getting lots more vaccine news, then obviously I might hold on to it for a little longer, but I see that being further out. Again, with the election coming up, that's going to be a big part of this. I don't think it'll mean much for the stock market, but whoever wins the election, there will definitely be at least some meaning for the stock market. So this is just kind of the start of the series. I think I'm going to call it 10,000 to 20,000. Then once I reach that goal, maybe I'll go to 20 to 50,000 and then 50 to 100. We'll just do those kinds of increments and it's going to be exciting. So this series will be mostly what I focus on over the next who knows how long, because I'm just making this channel follow my actual investing goals. So it'll be interesting to see where it goes. Maybe I'll throw in some other series, maybe some sort of other challenges, day trading for a week or swing trading for 1 month, just to see how profitable I can be in that time frame. So I may throw in some challenges in between these series or in the middle of them. Again, it'll be interesting. I see TQs going to around 135. That'll probably be close to my sell point, about another 7.5% up from where it went today. Again, just one last look, 4.8% today, $470. Let's see if we can keep that momentum. My last trade with SQs was pretty good. It was about 4.8% in total, so right around $500. The two trades I had before then with Dave and Buster's were both profitable. So hopefully this trade stays profitable, and I will update you guys as soon as I can. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe, leave a like, comment. Have a good day, and happy investing.